Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing unboxing of the Adventure Force Crunch and Carry Shark. Try me. Crunch the shark's lunch. Carry it with you. Crunch, eat, repeat. 3+ here's the back. Press shark fin and mouth opens. Crunch, eat, repeat. Crunch the shark's lunch. Sea animal included. Carry it with you. Belly opens for storage. Let's open it up.
Really? I don't remember any reckless driving. But this is the dust ticket, and not to make sure everything is in okay. December 24th, collision with
I need scissors. I'll be right back.
Apparently, a husband crashed a hijacked bus into a house and assaulted a man with a rake. Assault on a municipal officer. I suppose you could go and apologize for getting on this list to get them to drop the charges and forget about the millions of dollars you owe them. The problem is having a sarcastic voice.
Here's the shark out of the box. We press the fin. When you press the shark's fin, his mouth opened wide. Once again, if you push the shark's fin, his mouth opens. Now the fish are in the shark's belly. Let's open it. let's take a look. This is Dory. I think it's a blue tank fish, whatever kind of fish it is, clownfish, and a turtle. Now, would you like more, shark or dinosaur? Shark it is, but I never talk about shark if you know what's going on here. Now, it's pretty cool to have in your collection if you know that all the channels have most viewers than us. That's what it is. And that's gonna be cool if you know. Shark Tale is a movie from DreamWorks. And they already know what it is. Now, can you have more Sharks toys? I bet it is. Now, that's what we're gonna talk about. Thanks for watching Box of the Adventure Force. Crunch and Carry Shark. Bye.